Staring at volatile markets at 3 in the morning leads to fatigue, and fatigue leads to missed executions. Manual trading relies on human endurance, which frequently breaks down. We'll solve that by converting your manual rules into a MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisor, a program that monitors the markets and executes your exact strategy without hesitation or emotion. By the end of this video, you will write, compile, and launch a complete breakout strategy in under 6 minutes. This chart shows the exact result we are building toward, a custom algorithm generating a steady equity curve over time. To build this, you only need 3 things: an open MT5 terminal, an active FXNX demo account, and basic Forex terminology. Learning MQL5 moves you from executing every trade manually to writing instructions that the terminal follows for you. This allows you to step back from the screen while your rules enforce a level of discipline that is difficult for a human to maintain. Step 1. Open your MT5 terminal and click the IDE icon in the toolbar, or simply press F4. This launches MetaEditor, the native coding environment for MQL5. Inside MetaEditor, locate the Navigator panel on the left. Right-click on the Experts folder and select Create. Follow the MQL5 wizard. Choose the Expert Advisor template, name your file My First EA, and click Finish. A new window will open with a block of default code. While it looks dense, it is built on a straightforward 3-part architecture that handles the complete lifecycle of your robot. This diagram illustrates that architecture. At the top is the onInit function. It runs exactly once when you first attach the EA to a chart, making it the perfect place for your initial setup tasks. At the very end of the cycle, when you remove the robot or close the terminal, the onDeinit function triggers to clean up your background processes. Between setup and shutdown is the onTick function. A tick is a single price fluctuation. Because this loop activates every time the market moves, you must place all your core trading logic here. It is the heartbeat of your EA. By isolating setup and shutdown tasks away from the main logic, your EA only consumes processing power when new price data actually arrives. This structure ensures your trading terminal remains highly efficient. Our strategy relies on a simple trigger. The EA will execute a buy order the exact moment the current ask price crosses above the highest point of the previous candle. To code this, you have to avoid the most common error in MQL5 data retrieval, the bar indexing trap. In this language, candles are numbered in reverse chronological order. Look at this candlestick chart. The active, fluctuating candle on the far right is bar 0. The completely formed, static candle immediately to its left, highlighted in green, is bar 1. We draw our reference line right at the top wick of that closed bar 1. When the live price of bar 0 pushes past that threshold, our market condition is met. In MetaEditor, you write this logic inside the onTick function using an if statement and a basic comparison operator. If current ask is greater than bar 1 high, execute trade. Because bar 1 is permanently closed, its high will never change. Relying on this locked data prevents false breakouts and ensures your EA only reacts to confirmed historical price action. To execute that trade, we use the order send function. This command takes your if statement and sends a live execution instruction directly to your broker. Inside the order send parameters, we define our volume. Volume dictates the position size. For this build, we set it to a conservative 0.01 lots. Next, we assign strict risk controls directly into the order. We hard-code a stop loss of 50 pips to limit downside and a take profit of 100 pips to lock in our target gains. But there is a major technical danger here called trade spamming. If the ask price stays above our entry threshold for 5 seconds, the EA might read that if statement as true multiple times, opening hundreds of identical trades. We prevent this by adding a prerequisite check. We tell the EA to verify that the position's total function equals exactly 0. If a trade is already active, the EA simply waits. Adding a position check and hard-coding strict stop losses separates a reckless script from a professional automated system that actively protects your capital. Now click the Compile button at the top of MetaEditor. Check the log window at the bottom of your screen. You need it to read exactly 0 errors, 0 warnings. Return to your MT5 terminal, click View on the top menu, and select Strategy Tester. This module allows you to run your newly compiled EA against historical price data. Select My First EA from the drop-down menu, set your symbol to the Euro-USD pair, and choose a historical date range covering the last 6 months. Hit Start. The strategy tester ingests months of tick data in seconds, calculating every potential entry and exit to instantly plot a comprehensive performance curve. You now have immediate empirical data on your logic. This step validates your strategy and confirms your code works without putting a single dollar of live capital at risk. You have successfully translated a theoretical market idea into a deployed, functioning trading robot. As you refine your code, you must avoid curve fitting. Curve fitting is the mistake of tweaking your EA's parameters until it shows a flawless historical backtest, making the strategy too rigid to survive in live markets. Always verify your final code on out-of-sample data. Out-of-sample data is a historical date range the EA has never seen during the optimization process. Passing this test proves your logic actually works in unpredictable conditions. To maximize the profitability of your automated systems, you need a broker with minimal execution drag. Open an FXNX NX1 account today and deploy your EA on true 0.0 pip spreads. This breakout script is your foundation. You now understand how to structure an EA and trigger an order based on market data, the core components you need to start automating your trading rules for the 24/5 market.